Hi, in this video today I'm going to be showing you around the Amazon Echo Pop. So it has various buttons around the place here. So when you hit this button in the middle, it will turn off the microphone. So now it will not hear you. Alexa, you see it won't respond. We also have volume up here and volume down here. And if you have a look, can you see this bar, the light bar at the front, is slowly going down when we put the volume down. And when we put the volume up, it will go up. So it's got a nice range of volume. We have the power jack around the back here. And if we tap it on top, it will snooze any alarm for 9 minutes. Let me show you that working. Alexa, set an alarm for 1:16 p.m.
Second alarm set for 1:16 p.m.
So now you can hear the alarms going off. And if we just tap the top of it, it will snooze it for 9 minutes and then the alarm will sound again. And if you're wondering what these little 3 holes are, they're the microphones, and obviously the speaker is the front part here. So that's it. That is the Amazon Echo Pop. Thanks for watching.